Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will study environmental pollution. In this video we will study environmental pollution, what are pollutants and what are types of pollutants. What is environmental pollution? Is it smog that we see, or is it the littering, the garbage on the roads, oceans and etc. we litter? Is that environmental pollution, or is it acid rain that we see, or is it the fumes or smoke coming out of factories, or is it the noise, the loud noise kind of pollution that we observe or listen, or is it the marine pollution that is caused by plastics and other littering of garbage? So what do you think? What is environmental pollution? These all are signs and after effects of pollution caused by human beings. Environmental pollution is the contamination of physical and biological components of the earth or atmosphere system to such an extent that normal environmental processes are adversely affected. If environmental pollution is caused by environmental pollutants, so what are pollutants? Pollutants are naturally occurring substances, but when they increase certain levels, they cause environmental pollution. So all that smog, acid rains are caused by environmental pollutants. They are after effects of environmental pollution. There are 5 types of pollutants. Form of persistence. As you already know that there are some of the chemical substances that persist or stay in the environment as it is, as we release them. Do you know CFCs from the fridge or aerosol sprays stay as it is? For example, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides stay as it is when they are shifted in the environment. So they are primary persistent pollutants, and secondary persistent pollutants are formed by the mixing and reaction of primary pollutants. So they all persist, they are not degraded by the environment, hence they are very toxic. Pollutants exist naturally as well as they exist by human beings. So carbon dioxide, sulfur oxides and nitrogen oxides form our atmosphere and air. So they exist naturally. These are quantitative pollutants. Some pollutants are made by humans. For example, DDT, fungicides and insecticides. So those that are made by humans are qualitative pollutants. There are some of the pollutants that can be degraded by our environment. For example, sewage can be degraded, so it is a biodegradable pollutant. These days, there are also plastics available that are biodegradable plastics that can be degraded, but their degradation is very slow. So these are not highly recommended. Do you know why in packaging plastics are not used or they are minimized? In some countries they are banned too. Do you know why? Because plastics, heavy metals, radioactive waste, salts, DDT, these are not degraded by an environment. They are very toxic to our environment, causing environmental pollution. So that's why these days plastic is replaced by paper packagings. And this is the reason why CFCs are banned. Every origin, every discovery just have 2 reasons. Either it is produced naturally or it is produced artificially. So the origin of environmental pollutants is also natural that occur in nature, or anthropogenic pollutants that are caused by humans or human induced activities. According to the states of matter, there are 2 types, gaseous and particulate. Gaseous means in gas form, like carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide, CFCs, and particulate matter that is in the form of smokes, fumes, dust, forest fires, construction, demolition activities. Factories are responsible for particulate matter pollution. And suspended particulate matter produced by dust, fumes, mist, smoke, and aerosol sprays. In this lecture, we have studied what is environmental pollution, what are environmental pollutants, types of pollutants, and in the next video, we will be studying types of pollution. So, if you like the video, do like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Thank you.